Don't you always love hearing gunshots a few hundred yards from you? Actually, no, I don't. Yeah, it was there. I put... Hey, you guys, hope you all are doing really good. We're on a little two-stroke here, and we're going to dive into this single track. We're going to go recover something I've got on a tree. You're going to have to stick around to find out what it is, so let's get going. Well, here we go, you guys. Here's some gnarly single track. It is overcast and it is slightly raining and the trees are wet. I will do my very best to clean the camera. This one's a first gear, pretty slow. And it's uber muddy and wet. Oh my god, it is going to be wet. Well, I'm going to film it anyways, you guys, so just bear with the camera. We're going to record no matter what. I'm going to keep cleaning it, so I'll do the best I can. So yeah, I put something on a tree here a few days ago, about 4 days ago I think it was. I'll show you guys what it is here pretty quick. It's pretty exciting actually. Holy, it's dark in here. You can actually see my headlight. And it's like before lunch. I'm not going super fast, you guys, because I don't want to get all wet. You know, that's just no point in even filming then, because the camera will be soaked. I'm gonna have to do this lots. You can see that water. It's oh wow. I'm gonna bail under a tree here. Look at that, eh? Wow. I can't believe someone would light it. I don't know if they lit it on fire or if they had the car caught fire because they're trying to climb all these hills. I really don't know. I would suspect that some kids stole it and lit it on fire, but crazy. You can see it got into the trees a little bit, but I'm assuming it would have been a wet day the day they did that. Otherwise, we'd be looking at a burnt forest. Not much left of it. I think it's going to need a tune-up. I don't even know what it is. It's either a Nissan or a Pathfinder. It might be an Explorer or something. I'm not really sure. But it got hot. The motor even melted. Aluminum heads. Crazy. Okay. Isn't it epic in here? We're almost at my location. We're on a recovery mission. What are we recovering? You shall see in a minute. It's been a long time, you guys, since I filmed on a wet, rainy day, so I don't have real high hopes for this footage, but see these rocks? Just keep your bike loose, you guys. Don't, normally I tell everybody to grip the bike with their knees and their legs because then you don't tire out your upper body so fast. But there are instances like this with these loose rocks. You want to just keep your bike loose and kind of let it do its own thing, if that makes any sense. And sorry about cleaning the camera so often. I'm not sure when there's raindrops on the lens and when there isn't. You're almost where, HeddleTown? are there right now. And it's still there, I can see it from here. This is one of those areas that gives me the, you know, shivers up your spine, like something's watching you. And I'll show you what we did here. Check it out. I can see it from here. But you guys can't. Well, maybe you can. Ooh, it looks like something was digging around under the tree there. Yeah, it was there. I put quite a bit of cat food. See it? Probably sees me. I got one of them game cameras. Probably filming me like a moron right now. And I put a bunch of cat food right in front of it because this is a high populated cat area. Okay, I'll get this unhooked and get it in my backpack and we'll get her home and see what we got. Okay, so here we go. This is the first day. I was on the dual sport. That's why I got different gear on. And I decided to put a little kitty food down. I was hoping to attract a cat was what my plan was. And then the second clip here, not much going on. Same with the third clip. I think a little wind might have set it off or something. But the fourth clip, check this out. Pretty cool, eh? That's one big black bear. Check out the size of his head, it's ginormous. And he's just loving that kitty food. And then check out the fourth clip here. Or the fifth clip, actually. Watch closely towards the end here. You'll see his snout come up right on the camera. He could probably smell my scent on the camera. Right there. And then this ding-a-ling. That's just me being a goofball. Anyways, pretty cool, you guys. Lots more game cam episodes to come. Hoping to catch a cat. Don't you always love hearing gunshots a few hundred yards from you? Actually, no, I don't. Hope they're firing the right way. This is sketchy as F, you guys. I hate coming up on guys that are shooting because there's all kinds of crazy stuff goes on in the mountains, especially when you're deep in there like I am. Wish me luck. Actually, I'm going to go back and show you guys something that just dawned on me. My most recent lesson video, I was trying to show you guys a bit of throttle clutch control. See that nice little rock to loft me right there? I'll show you. Check this out. I'm going to use the exact same principle. Clutch throttle, compress the suspension just a little bit. And you can actually gain quite a bit of air by going slow, but the principle's just exaggerated a lot faster. Second gear. See that? Now I'm on the gas when I land too. That helps pull the suspension out and you don't land like you land more like a 747, not a tank. You can use that clutch throttle, you know, off rocks and logs, and if you got a hot, here's another one. We'll hop over these rocks. See, that's the same technique, only obviously I'm revving it way more and I'm giving it a lot more clutch to get that, you know, the pop. Here's a big one, watch. on, doesn't the orange just look awesome, you guys? Yeah, I know, I'm tooting my own whistle about the KTMs. I just think the orange against the green just pops. But hey, I love all bikes, don't get me wrong. You guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. We're going to get this thing home, and you may have already seen it if I run it in another part of the video, and I got the new mailing address, don't forget, you guys. So if you want to drop me a thank you or a hello or whatever, just send it to the mailing addresses in the description. So I'm going to be doing a new segment on my YouTube channel, so it's a chance for you guys to get mentioned. If you don't want to be mentioned, definitely say so and I won't mention you, but otherwise I'm going to mention everybody. And definitely hit the subscribe button like the picture here, you guys, and the links are all in the description below, so check it out. Patreon's there too. So I will see you guys in the very next video. Thanks for watching, you guys. I appreciate it.